Hi everyone, this is NC Floor Guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install a laminate floor. On this project you can see that the client had a glue down engineered floor already on their slab. The cost to remove that was very high. So I told them just to put down a floating floor on top of that and it'll save a ton of money and go a lot faster. The client ended up purchasing a Pergo laminate floor, which has realistic wood grains in a gray tone. We're also using the Pergo Gold, a rigid foam underlayment. This underlayment acts as a moisture barrier and it dampens sounds. It also mitigates minor imperfections in your subfloor. We begin the installation by moving the furniture and spreading the underlayment out on the floor. You can see that the underlayment needs to be taped together at the edges. After we do that, we can begin laying our flooring pieces out in the order in which they'll be installed. This is called racking. When you're installing any type of flooring, you want to offset the end butts where the end of the boards come together. In order to do that, you have to create an installation pattern. Here you can see a worker installs the first several rows of pieces, one shorter than the next. That creates a stair-step pattern, also called a stagger pattern. One of the nice things about most floating floors is they're easy to install. They just snap together in what's called a click lock system. You just take one board and slip the tongue of the backside into the groove on the front side of the next board and just pop it into place. If you've maintained your stair-step pattern all the way across the floor, you'll see when you get to the far wall, you'll still have that stagger pattern. So the first piece you install will be the short piece, and then a medium piece in front of that, and then the longest piece in front of that, and that ends your row. On this last piece you can see a gap between the last two boards. So the worker will take a laminate bar and he'll tap the edge of it and close those pieces together. As you continue with the installation of the underlayment, just cut around obstructions such as hearths and corners and things of that nature. And when you're installing your laminate, you'll cut around those as well using a table saw and a chop saw or a jig. Be sure to lay the underlayment on 100% of the floor, all the way from wall to wall, nice and tight around the door jambs and everything. Around this hearth, we've installed a transition strip called an overlap. It makes a nice, clean, beautiful edge. Most flooring manufacturers offer a variety of transition strips that you'll use around hearths and also door jambs. The last steps in the project are installing all of the transition strips and the quarter round. In this case we used white to match the baseboard. We gave the whole project a good clean and it's all finished.